gentlemen, Waterloo East Station is closed this weekend due to planned engineering work. Charing Cross and Cannon Street stations are also closed, and there are no South East train services from London Bridge. Please use Victoria Station for South East trains.
Right, you done? So guys, another one. No, I'm here with DMX. I'm done. Oh my god, so new photo shoot with the DMX, and it's amazing. You'll have to check him out on Instagram. I'll put his Instagram here so you can check it out. Yeah.
Mr. Time Freezer, check me out.
So let me tell you guys, he's like British DMX. I'm serious, like it's not even funny, like for real. For real or for real? now in the background it's like, cause I'm happy. No, I'm just kidding. Oh my god. What you doing? Oh my god. Okay, so.
Wait here.
And I have a nose ring. What you guys think about my nose ring? Should I wear it or not? You totally look like DMX. I cannot even. Oh my god, guys, so I know DMX. This is so cool. He's like, woof, woof. With DMX here. Still. I'm gonna. Guys, I have a new jacket. Look at this, amazing. So DMX, he's lying. Why are you lying?
You stole my coat.
No, I didn't. He said, so I'm gonna give it to you. Like,
I didn't say give it.
He said you can keep it, like you can keep it forever. And I was like, oh, okay, if it's this, like I'll do it, whatever. I mean, it's a okay jacket. It's not even like
50 quid.
Oh my god, really? Yeah. Okay, right, so it's like 50 quid. What's that? Like, are you kidding me? Like, where did you buy it? It's amazing. I love it. It's so cold. I have to like wear his jacket. I love the pictures. Oh my god. Amazing. Amazing. Shut up. Like that one, yeah. Dope. Dope. Dope, you guys. Dope. I really love it. I'm so glad we did it. Amazing. So guys, what you think about my nose ring? You have to tell me. Tell me what you think about my nose ring. Should I keep it or not? My hair is dope. Like this. He's taking pictures, so I have to pose. Like, that's the way it is. Oh shit, that looks nice. Yeah, we do. So we're just going, taking shots. That sounds like I'm talking about alcohol, but I'm not. I promise. I don't drink. Seriously, you guys already know. I don't drink.
Liar.
I don't drink. I don't do. I'm like so fresh and so clean. What? What?
Stick it on there. I'll stack it on there straight away. Within that 2 minutes, you've got a feature. I thought,
that's dope.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Straight away.
Yeah, of
So
course.
that's all good. I'm going to use this one.
I love it.
That's it. I love it.
Show them. I love it. No. I love
Right, Chinatown. We're here.
That's so cold. It's so cold. Are you cold? You are cold. See? Oh my god, do you want your jacket?
I'm alright.
No,
now.
you're like.
When I get cold,
Are you holding it because you're like you're DMX? Like, I'm not cold. Oh my god, he's cold. You can see like your arms like. Oh my god, so cold. I'm so sorry. Well, I'm not, but.
She ain't sorry. Take my clothes.
I'm sorry, but not. So guys, we're still taking pictures. And it's cool. And it's cool. So cool. Why am I still talking? Do you like seafood?
What?
Really? I love seafood. Oh my god, I was.
The only ones I do is prawns, and that's about it. Prawns and mackerel.
Prawns.
Prawns! Don't take the piss out of my leg.
He likes
My
prawns. Like prawns? Oh my god, stop! Oh, I feel like I'm in the mood.